Currently, I logged into the Sandbox app, and in this video, I will show you how the multiple webhooks are being supported to send the multiple channels specified on the account level. So, I have created two accounts basically. For one account, I have a webhook URL which will send notification to the announcements, and the second one for the random. So currently for the test one, as you can see here, there is a field called says Slack webhook URL. So what you need to do here, you need to put the webhook URL, which will basically send the notification to that particular channel. So let me find out the webhook URL for the which will send the data to announcements. So for that, the client or you need to create incoming webhooks. That is, you can go to the data.slack.com, and then from the sidebar you can select incoming webhooks. By default, it's unchecked, but you can create your webhooks from here. They have the documentation over here. So let me go to my apps. So basically I have created one two webhooks basically for the two channels. So here you can see one webhook is created for to post the notification to announcements, and another one for the random. So similarly, it supports the multiple orgs as well. So they just need to you just need to provide the webhook URL. Either it's from the client's Slack account or it's yours. They just need to have their webhook URL. So for from the test one account, I want to have all the notification, whatever notification for related to case feed, those should be posted on the announcement channel. So for that, I'm just copying this channel link and just pasting it into this. Just need to click on save. So yeah, so from now onwards, whenever you have, suppose you have a flow or any other kind of workflow for any of the record or the object you support like case or the field, you can create the one process filter flow, and using that process filter flow, the notification will go to the respective webhook URL. So I will show you that flow as well, how it is configured. So let's test this functionality. So I'll go creating a case record under this account. So it should post to the announcement section. Currently there is only one record. Let me delete it on the message here. So currently there are no messages right now in the announcement section. So let me create a test case here by clicking on save. So as soon as I created a case, it should actually send a notification to announcement section. It will take several seconds to come here. It's not here yet. Refresh it. Yeah, so here we get the notification. As you can see, this is testing. So I'm just putting for the testing purpose. So this comes into the announcements link. This was created earlier on the random. I have the channel called random. So yeah, for all the case, any of the for this particular account, if there are any case updates, feed updates, they will be go through this particular webhook URL. So now let's say I have account 2 and I want to send client have their own webhook URL. They just need to specify the webhook URL over here. I have already here, so it's basically linking to the random channel that I have already in the Slack. So you can just copy and paste it over here and save it. I'm creating. Let's create a new case under this account. Let's save. So the case is created. It will trigger a flow. It's basically send a new notification to a random channel. So currently there are no messages for the random channel. Let's wait for a second. Let me refresh the screen. Yeah, so here in case I don't know it's a issue with the web version or not, and when I refresh the screen I'm getting the message over here under the random channel. So here you can see the message is there. We created a case on the test2 account, and it basically created a notification, sent a notification to random channel, not for the announcement. So for the announcement we were having it for the test1 account. For the random, it was related to the account test2 account. So this is how the multiple Slack channel notification works. You just need to specify the related webhook URL here. You don't need to create multiple process builder flows for having multiple based upon the accounts. So let me go through the process builder, how I have configured it. I have modified the code which will accept the webhook URL from the account and send the notification to the channel. So let me go to the case flow. You can create it on any of the object. You just need to refer the accounts webhook URL. You need to send those that parameter into our Apex class. So I have created it on the case object. I have the criteria like whenever there is a new case, not on update, this is only working for the new case, and the account Slack URL is not empty. This is the main criteria, else it will throw an error. So the account Slack URL is present, then only go to the next action, that is immediate action. We have it as a send notification to Slack. I have an Apex class that is published to Slack, and I have two variables, Slack message, that is whatever the message you wanted to send. This can be dynamic that we had on the earlier project. You can configure it whatever you want. And the webhook URL, this is the webhook URL will be related to that case accounts Slack webhook URL. So suppose you are creating the case on the test2 account, then it will be dynamically bind to the webhook URL which is present on that particular account. So you don't need to create multiple flows for multiple accounts. It will be all dynamic. We are just passing the webhook URL to our Apex class, and then in the Apex class we are binding that parameter with our code, and we are sending, and all these things will be the callout will be sent to the Slack, and it will send that notification to particular channel. So you can create similarly for as like a case. You can also create it on the feed item as well. You just need to check if the case account of the case have the Slack webhook URL. If not, then this will not work, because webhook URL is necessary to send the notification. So on the account level, the webhook URL should be there in order to send notifications. Similarly, like this, any object which is related to account can have the webhook notifications to on the Slack account. So no matter if the Slack webhook is for of the single account or it can be of any account. You can have the you can create the webhook URL for your client's account, and you just need to specify it over here. So this is how the overall functionality will work. So please test the same in the sandbox and let me know if there are any issues. Thank you.